Okay, let's unpack this.
Sounds good.
We're diving deep today into some, well, pretty interesting updates about OpenAI's operator agent.
Right, based on that source material you shared with us.
Exactly. And our mission really is to kind of figure out what's actually new here, what it all means.
And why it matters to you, the listener.
Right. So operator, remind us quickly what that is.
Yeah, so think of Operator as like an AI assistant that can actually use a computer interface.
Okay.
It sits in a virtual environment, a VM, and it's basically designed to take tasks you give it.
Like what sort of tasks?
Oh, like browsing the web, using different software applications. It figures out how to do that stuff on its own, autonomously.
Gotcha. And the big news, the main headline from your sources is about the brain behind it, the model.
That's the core update, yeah. Until now, Operator was running on a custom version of their GPT-4o model.
Uh-huh.
But that's changing. OpenAI is upgrading the intelligence, the model, powering the main operator agent, to a version based on their newer O3 model.
O3. Okay.
And they're specifically calling this version O3 Operator.
And the significance there, the source suggests O3 models are generally better.
Yeah, generally seen as more advanced than 4.0, particularly when it comes to reasoning capabilities. That's the key thing highlighted.
So potentially a smarter agent, more capable maybe?
That's the potential. But what's interesting, and the source points this out, is this upgrade to O3. It's specifically for the main operator agent.
The one in the virtual machine doing the work.
Exactly. The material clarifies that the API version of Operator.
Ah, the one developers might use.
Right. That version, for now at least, is actually staying on the 4.0 model. So a little distinction there between the core product and the developer tool.
Okay, that's a useful detail. And this whole idea, AI agents using computers, it feels like everyone's jumping on this.
Oh, definitely. The source mentions others, right? Google's got work on a computer use agent, Werner, and Anthropic's models are getting these sorts of tasking abilities too.
So zooming out, this OpenAI update isn't happening in a vacuum.
Not at all. It's a move in a pretty competitive race. We're seeing this push towards AI that doesn't just talk, but actually does things in our digital world.
But more capability. That always brings up the safety questions, doesn't it? Control.
Always. And the source material does get into that, talking about the safety fine-tuning for this new O3 operator.
How so?
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.